Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to make these easy adorable rose granny squares. They are pretty easy to make and you can make them in two ways, with pointy petals like this one here, or you can make them with oval rounded petals like this one here or this one. So let's start with the materials and continue with the pattern itself. For this pattern you can use whatever weight of yarn or brand you have in your stash. Um, just choose a hook that is suitable for your yarn. We will need two colors, one for the flower itself and one main color for the granny square. A stitch marker or a piece of yarn to mark your first stitch. Also, we will need one additional stitch marker for the pattern. Now let's begin. We will start for the first round. We will start with a magic ring and make 8 half double crochet into the ring. You can also chain 5 and slip stitch on 5th to make a ring. I am making 8 half double crochet into the ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close your ring. I prefer using a piece of yarn to mark my stitches, so I will pull the piece of yarn through my last loop. And now the most important part of this pattern is that we will work in the third loop of half double crochet. So we will have raised stitches that later we will work on and make the petals. Where is the third loop? You can see the front and the back loop of the half double crochet, but when you turn it a little bit you can see that we have one loop popping on the back. We will work in that third loop here. And you must be careful with your first stitch, as the third loop of this first stitch is right here. Just make half double crochet into the third loop here. In second round we will make 2 half double crochet into each stitch. We are making a simple half double crochet increase, but we are working in the third loop. Front loop, back loop, turn it a little bit and go through the third loop of the half double crochet and make half double crochet increase, meaning 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. And when you are working in the third loop of the half double crochet, you will see that the front and back loops are popping on the right side of your work. This is because we are working in the third loop, pushing the front and back loop to the front. Here, front loop, back loop, and when you turn it a little bit, all these loops are the third loop of the half double crochet. Now for round 3, we will make 1 half double crochet into the first stitch and then half double crochet increase into the second, meaning we are making 1 half double crochet in first and making 2 half double crochet into the second, 1 half double and 2 half double into the second. Repeat this till the end of your round. Now for round 4, we will make half double crochet into the first 2 and then half double crochet into the third. Don't forget that we are working in the third loop of the half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2, and then half double crochet increase into the third one. Half double crochet into the first 2, 1, 2, and then half double crochet increase into the third one. like this. Repeat this till the end of your round. In round 5, we will make half double crochet into the first 3. 1, 2, 3, and then make half double crochet increase into the fourth. Half double crochet into the first 3. 1, 2, 3, and then half double crochet increase into the fourth. Repeat this till the end of your round. Now once you finish your round, this is how it will look, and fasten off, cut your yarn, and for round 6 we will switch to the main color. How to change your color invisibly: once you finish your last stitch, insert your hook through the loops of your stitch like this, then yarn over with your new color and pull it through the loops. Take the color of your stitch and pull it from the back, and this is how we change the this is how we are making invisible color change. And now for round 6 we will make single crochet stitches, but we will continue working in the third loop of the half double crochet. First chain 1 and make single crochet into the first 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then increase into the fifth one, meaning make 2 single crochet into the fifth stitch. So make single crochet into the first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase into the next. And before we continue, we need to put a stitch marker on the first stitch of the 5th round here to mark that stitch, and just continue making single crochet into the first 4 stitches and then increase into the next till you reach the end of your round. Now once you finish your last stitch, from round 1 to 6 we worked in continuous rounds, but for the next 2 rounds we will work in joined rounds. So we have an initial chain 1 here, and we will make a slip stitch to join our round in this slip stitch, in this chain 1. Now for round 7 we will turn this circle into a square. So chain 1 and make single crochet into the first 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make half double crochet into the next 2. 1, 2 half double crochet, and in the next stitch we are making a double crochet increase, meaning we are making 2 double crochet into the same stitch. We will form the corner now. 2 double crochet into the same, chain 2, and then double crochet increase into the next. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same stitch. This will be our corner space. Then make half double crochet into the next 2. 1, 2. This is the first side, and all you need to do is continue repeating these stitches. I will show you one more time. So we are making 6 single crochet. The repeat is 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then half double crochet into the next 2. 1 half double, 2 half double. Now we are making the corner. and in the next stitch we are making double crochet increase, 1, 2 double crochet into the same, chain 2, and then double crochet increase into the next, 1 double, 2 double into the same, and half double crochet into the next 2. So repeat from the 6 single crochet till the 2 half double crochet 2 more times, and you will reach the end of your round. And once you reach the end of your round, you will end it with 2 half double crochet, and then join with slip stitch in the initial chain 1 here to join your round. Now for the last round, we will start with a chain 3, and then make double crochet into each stitch till we reach the corner space here. Just make 1 double crochet into each stitch till you reach the corner space. These are the double crochet stitches, and I reached my corner space. In the corner space we will make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet into the corner space again to form the corner of this round. So in the corner we have 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Then continue making double crochet into each stitch till you reach the next corner, and for the corner make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the corner space. Now we will repeat this, making double crochet and forming the corners till we reach the end here. Once you finish repeating the double crochet and corner stitches of this round, this is how your square will look. And when you make the last double crochet, join with slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, the third chain of your initial chain 3 here, like this. And this is the base of your granny square. Now we will make the petal and turn it into a flower square. As I said, you can make it in 2 different ways, with pointy flower petals or with rounded ones. I will show you both. It's just a 1 stitch difference between them. And now take your flower color. I used pink, and we will work in the raised stitches that we have from working in the third loop of the half double crochet. First, take your hook and go in through the first stitch of round 1. Take your yarn and pull a loop through that stitch. Then chain 1 and make single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet into that stitch. 1 single and 1 half double crochet. Each petal of the flower is made of 3 stitches. In the first stitch we've made 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet. Now for the second stitch, if you want to have a rounded petal, we will make 3 double crochet into the second stitch. 1, 2, 3. All 3 double crochet into the second stitch. Then make 1 half double crochet and 1 slip stitch into the third stitch. You can see we have a rounded finished petal. This is the first petal. We will repeat this petal pattern all around till we reach the marked stitch here, and just make, as I said, we have 3 stitches for each petal. Into the first we are making 1 single, 1 half double. Then for the second stitch we are making 3 double crochet into this second stitch, 2, 3, and into the third we are making 1 half double crochet and 1 slip stitch to finish the petal. And we worked from round 1 to round 5 or 6. We worked in continuous around, so your petals will be in a spiral like this. You will just make a 1 petal in each 3 stitches. Let me pull. Also, you can pull your yarn tail to the back like this. I will show you one more time how to make a rounded petal. Single crochet into the first, then half double crochet into the same stitch. In the second we are making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and in the third one we are making 1 half double and 1 slip stitch to finish the petal. Now how to make the pointy petals like this. In the first stitch we will make the same 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet, but in the middle we will make 1 double crochet. Then we are making a mini picot stitch, meaning we are making chain 2 and then make a slip stitch into the second from your hook, 1, 2, just make a slip stitch into the second and then make a double crochet into the second stitch, which is the same stitch of the double crochet, and we will have this pointy look once you continue making this. And in the third stitch we are making again half double and slip stitch into the third, and this is how it will look if you are working with a pointy petal. I will make it once more. In the first stitch it is the same. We are making 1 single, 1 half double into the first. For the middle second stitch of the petal we are making 1 double, chain 2, slip stitch into the second to make the picot stitch, and then double crochet into the same. And for the third we are making half double crochet and slip stitch into the same. Now to finish your flower, just continue repeating the flower petals till you reach the marked stitch. You can also repeat them till the end of your these raised stitches. For my squares I prefer the flower a little bit smaller, so I left the final round of raised stitches unworked. That's why I placed the stitch marker, so I will know where to work the petals, till where to work the petals. And voila, this is how you are making a flower granny square. This is how you are making the rose granny square. For these squares I used Deca weight yarn. It's Premier Basic Deca with 4mm crochet hook. And for the big one here, I used Lion Brand Venus Choice with 5.5mm hook, I think. So if you like this video tutorial and if it was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you'll get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. Also, I see that this square looks good if you use the both methods and mixing them. For example, like this one, 3 petals with round and 3 point petals. You can try it out as well. See you in the next video.